Benefits to eating vegan. With a large number of people being swept up into the ideas of a greener lifestyle, it is no wonder that many people are turning vegan as well. For the vast majority of people, a vegan lifestyle is aligned to going back to the old ways, which is also considered much healthier. If you are still not sure whether the idea of a vegan lifestyle is perfect for you, there are several things that you should thoroughly consider first. If you are just rushing out to get a healthy lifestyle without considering all of the benefits of eating vegan, you could be in for a rather alarming surprise. Many people discover vegan eating through their quest to eat healthier. By doing this, it is possible to find a healthier lifestyle and ensure that you are getting the biggest benefits for not only yourself but also the environment. Many environmental groups claim that vegan is the ultimate way to go green with your eating habits. In many ways, they are very correct, and because of this, many people are turning to a vegan lifestyle like never before. While many people might only claim to live a truly green lifestyle, those who are eating vegan as well are really living the lifestyle instead of just talking it. Other benefits to eating vegan is the decrease in blood sugar levels. This is something that is extremely beneficial for diabetics because it can substantially lower the need to use insulin and other medications to control blood sugar levels. However, if you are being treated by a doctor for any reason, you should talk to your doctor before changing your diet significantly to ensure that you are getting all of the nutrients and benefits that you really need. Making changes without talking to your doctor could have devastating consequences and will only take a few minutes of your time to ensure that you stay as healthy as possible. People who avoid eating meat are also often able to lose weight much faster. Many of the reasons for this is due to the increase in carbohydrates in vegetables as well as the decrease in calories and fats. Plus, many of the fruits and vegetables that are common in a vegan diet also assist in weight loss due to their negative calorie effect. While this is not a huge benefit for all people, it is something that can be a massive help if you are trying to lose weight. Of course, working to eat only fresh fruits and vegetables as opposed to highly processed foods will help to really maximize the negative calorie impact. A vegan diet also has a huge perk of providing a substantially lower fat content to your diet as well. Consuming excessive amounts of dairy products as well as meats tends to be closely accompanied by fat. By omitting substantial amounts of fat from your diet, you can make some substantial differences to not only our physical health, but also make great improvements to lower your weight. This can provide you with ample reasons to lower your intake of meat if you have been struggling to actually manage your weight. A final benefit is that you are consuming far more carbohydrates on a vegan diet. This has been considered good because it provides a great source of energy all during the day. Foods such as meats tend to be extremely low on carbohydrates, while being much higher on protein. While protein is an essential part of your diet, it can take much longer to digest, which will allow you to pack on weight faster and have lower energy levels. If you are instead looking to increase the amount of fruits and vegetables that you consume, you will find that your energy level will go up significantly. However, you should still ensure that you are consuming ample protein to fully protect your system and receive all of the nutrition that you need. Follow Fazia.com. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, share.